Hello everyone, my name is Ishaan Jolly, also known as the JollyLegend, and welcome to this video where I'm demonstrating the best Goxlr settings and setup for 2025. Now I've actually made some pretty big differences between the settings I had 2 years ago when I last made a Goxlr video, and the settings I've made now with some new stuff I've learned. So I've got two presets to show you guys. This is one preset. This is another preset, which is a little more natural, a bit smoother, a bit less up in your face, a bit less broadcasty. And just for fair comparison's sake, this is how the microphone just sounds like without any processing done whatsoever. Just the voice into the microphone, into your ears. And here are the old settings that I used to do, back 2 years ago. And it's like just something I've learned recently. Is that a lot of bass actually makes your voice sound less deep because all the bass gets muddled up and you can kind of only hear the harmonics on top compared to when you roll the bass off, then everything just sounds really clean and then you can hear the depth and richness and rasp in your voice because it isn't being muddled up and cleared off. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the settings. So, let's go through how I set up this broadcast style EQ. Right. So, speak into your microphone and just kind of aim for this middle region and you'll be good. Mine is set at 25 dB for this microphone and it's a good volume for me. Cool. Then for the gate, I go for 10%, so that's minus 53. Then attenuation at 50%, so it's not like a straight cut in, cut off. It's more of like an expander, which is nicer. Then the attack is set to 10 milliseconds, and then the release to 550 milliseconds. Super smooth and natural. And I am sorry for breathing so much, but it is so hot and humid here that I have to take deep breaths in between each sentence. Plus, I'm a little bit ill, so you probably can hear that right now, but yeah. Okay, anyway, so, compression. For the broadcast style, I've gone with minus 18 decibels, a ratio of 5:1, 2 milliseconds of attack, 100 milliseconds of release, and 12 dB of makeup gain. This just kind of really compresses your voice, brings it up, brings it loud, in your face, dynamic, really nice and punchy sounding. And now for the EQ. So what I've done, cut out everything minus 9 at 31, minus 2 at 63, minus 2 at 125, minus 4 at 250, minus 4 at 500. So that just really cleans up the voice and lets it just stand out without the mud and bloat getting in the way. And now, across the treble region, just 222 across the board. Just a nice lift, which doesn't make it sound too harsh in the high end. Because before I used to go 244, and that could sometimes sound pretty harsh. But now it sounds really clean and clear, but it's not harsh. So, awesome broadcast sound. And there you go. Now I'll show you the natural sound if you want something a little less broadcast sounding. Okay, so, compression-wise, I've gone with something more natural. Minus 18 dB, 2:1 ratio, 20 milliseconds attack, 140 milliseconds release, and 8 dB of makeup gain. So, it's less in your face, but it's still loud and clear, and can be heard over like music and game sound, etc. And now, here is the EQ still, minus 9, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So this is just a more natural sound, and it still sounds good, still sounds clear, but it's not as broadcast sounding as the other preset. And well, there you guys go. The best EQ settings and setup for the Goxlr in 2025, where you just sound really nice, really good, really clear. And I'll show you guys my old settings. So here are my old settings that I used to do, really boomy and really bassy. So you'd really bring up this region, and then you'd bring up this region to kind of like compensate, and it's just like, now this, that's like sharp in the high end. And then, like, okay, on some speakers it sounds good because those speakers don't represent the bass very much. Like, sure, on a phone speaker, it'll probably sound fine. But I was at my cousin's wedding. Well, actually, I did this voiceover thing for my cousin's wedding a couple years ago. And I used these settings. Because in my headphones, it sounded fine. But then they played it on the speakers at the ceremony. Well, you know, Indian weddings, they have a lot of ceremonies, but... So there's this one thing where it was like, when she was a little girl, she did this and that, and then like people would come in and dance, like different members of the family would come in and dance and blah, blah, blah. It was a whole thing. But then when I had my voice back, the bass was thundering, and it was so boomy to the point where you could only hear the harmonics on top from my voice and then just a bass line below. So it almost sounded like my voice was thin and they just had like a bass line below it. Whereas had I used an EQ preset like this, it would have just sounded really rich and really clean, and everything would have just sounded amazing, and my entire voice would have come across really well without the huge rumble on the giant speakers they had. So right. There you guys go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it helped you get the most out of your TC Helicon Goxlr. I made a very similar video for this for the Beacon Studio. I uploaded that earlier today. It was like ChatGPT EQs my mic or something like that. So check that out if you've got the Beacon Studio. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you all next time, and goodbye.